Hello everyone and welcome. In today's tutorial, this is more like a follow-up from the previous tutorial where I showed you how to design your header for your Divi website. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this really cool effect. So let me show you quickly. So here, when we start scrolling, you notice that our offer is sort of like appearing from behind the main header, and it is also fixed. And when you scroll back, it disappears, but when you do that, it reappears. So this is what I'm going to show you in today's tutorial. So before we begin, I'd also like to remind you that if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my web design formula course, the course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. All you have to do is, after you've bought it, is to send me an email and I'll give you access to the course. The link to that is in the video description below. And also, if you've already bought Divi, I also have a VIP membership which only costs $19. You'll get access to all the courses and yeah, even the live streams. So those are the two offers I have. So without wasting a lot of time, let's dive in and let's get started. So this tutorial, as I mentioned, is a continuation from the previous tutorial where I showed you how to create this header. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back over here to our theme options. No, in fact, theme builder, because that's how we access the theme builder itself. So you want to click here on the global header. And the very first thing we're going to do here is to go into the top section settings. And then we're going to come over here to the advanced tab, click on position. And then by default, it's set to default. So we want to change this and set it to fixed. Now, something funny happens there. It looks like it's gone under and it's disappeared. But you know what? Don't worry, things will be okay. So I'm going to save this. No, in fact, before I save, why don't we add a bit of animation to this as well? So I'm going to come over here to animation and I'm going to add, let's add a bounce, okay? And then let's save this. Right, so I know it looks crazy. I'm going to save this and close out of this and then take a look at a page and see what that looks like. So over here now, if I refresh this page, right, it looks like nothing is there. But check this out. As soon as I start scrolling, now we see our offer. And you know what? I'm not impressed by that because it's supposed to bounce because we added some animation, didn't we? Let's try it one more time. Okay, let's try and... Okay, so the animation is not working, but this is fixed and this is going to stay up there as long as we're scrolling. And once you get to the top, it's going to show our normal header. So I think this is a really cool feature. So this is something that you can add onto your existing header that we designed together in this tutorial. And also, back over here now, it's going to be difficult for you to go in and try and fix this. So what you want to do is to make sure you click here on expand settings. Now, once you click on expand settings, you're going to get this layers menu here. So this is how you're going to be able to get into the section here to make your changes to it. So if you click here and then click on your section settings and then go to, let's say, for example, design. I'm not sure why this animation is not working. It's so annoying. But anyway, I guess it's conflicting with something. But okay, let's try zoom. But anyway, my point was this is how you would come in and adjust anything that you need to adjust over here. So let me save this, save one more time. And let's take a look and see what happens here when we refresh. And now when we scroll, okay, nothing's happening. But anyway, it's a cool, really cool effect. It looks like it's hiding behind. So you can go with that feature if you want to. But if you also want to make just the header fixed, let me show you how you do that. So I'm going to go back over here to my top section settings. And it's also a good idea to label them. So I'm going to go in here and just label this offer. Let's close that. Because if you don't label them, you're not going to know which section does what. So I'm going to call this offer. So I will know every single time that that's my offer section. So I'm going to go into my settings now and disable it. So we're just going to assume here that the promotion is over. So we're going to disable it. Save that. Now we're going to go into this section, go into the settings. And if you want to make this one fixed, here's how you do it. So you'd come over here to advanced, position, Change it from relative to fixed. Save that. Save one more time. Now let's take a look at this and see if this is working. I'm going to refresh it. And now it is fixed. Perfect. So that is how you make some changes to your header. I'm getting tired, so I'm running out of words to say. But anyway, guys, if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified every time we release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.